Serve.
Onion. Onion. The shop a burn down. Now for your friend myself. You know lama there sa kaga? But you said the shop a burn down. And you that burn up with it too. Onion. Where are you from? I'll take my army turn. 5. My uniform in my bag. Wait till in your bag. Dorian, come with me. Oh. Tonya, I know you feel like me miserable, you know. But it's when you come to work, put on your uniform. I know it's a little shop and you're young and you want to dress look sexy like, but most people come to the shop, they might edit that. So they're very picky when they see certain people at the shop. So it's not like it's a business where you come with whatever you're in and then change off. You can put on the work clothes from yard and come. Alright?
Yes, 5. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna make it happen again.
You say that 2 times already, you know. You see, if somewhere else you that work, you would have fired you already. And you can't sleep out this up on the front. The side door open. Anybody could have just come and, cause the time when me see them out there, so anybody could have come and take what they want and gone. Shappy cook curry. Curry chicken and rice.
I mean, cookies.
So you, in the house, I cook curry chicken and rice. Who did I attend to the shop?
Me did a... But me not listen though, me listen. So if somebody call for sure, me run come, and then me run go back.
Tony, them sell food around the road. You can't ask any one of the boys, them but always the oldest if I can buy it for you. You see that back and forth there? It not gonna work. You see if me there here, or Shoppy there here, one of we can attend to the shop, we don't have no problem in the house. At least one of we in here, I attend to the shop.
5. You look good current on the phone and look back to there, you see me?
I can go right down
Alright, leave it.
Now today they asked for the half day.
Oh yes, I just remember. I can't leave?
Yes, Tony. And wait for the tomorrow.
Wear me uniform.
And if you plan for cook,
Make sure it says Shoppy Day here.
or me.
Are you?
Alright. Alright, take care of one.
Thanks, 5.
One nice little girl, you know, but I tell you something. No, I should ask her if I first work this. Hello?